Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your high beam lights on the Ford F-150 2018. Let's get started. First, you're going to need a wrench. Works best to remove the screws right here that cover the lights. It's a 5.5 measure on this Ford. You just go like this, it comes right out. Once you gain access, you make sure you lower all this cover right here, the lower one. It's got a rubber cover. You just grab this, snap, boom, there you go, it's done. Then you twist to the left and it comes right out. Right here, you'll find that there's a little lower lever and you snap it right out from its cables. Bang, you see that? Now we're gonna replace them with AUXITO light. Look at that, beautiful design. Look at the Beauty and the Beast right here next to each other. This one dances better, our Beauty. Let's go. Real easy access. Once you have this lowered, here's our cable, snaps right in. Look at that, easy. Put our light kind of like a horizontal way first, where it fits, screws to the right, bam, look at that. Then we put our rubber covers back in, and before you hit the road, guys, don't forget to screw back in your lids and your covers. It gets bumpy out there, and you don't want your car falling apart. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye, and thank you. Light up the road with AUXITO LEDs.